Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with Brad. You probably see in Lifts and Levels episodes. Brad called me this morning and told me to wear this shirt, so we did.
That's a lie. Fuller called me.
We both wore
told me
khakis,
to wear this shirt.
and now we're gonna make a video together. So this is gonna be kind of weird. This is another episode of This or That. So yesterday I hopped on Instagram and I posted it on Facebook and I said, ask some questions. The videographers are gonna go through, pick 10 of them, and then ask us, would we rather have this or that, essentially. So I think we can just jump right into it.
Lifted gas or stock diesel?
Well, I'm going to take the lifted gasser just because I can't have anything that's stock. I think stock is too boring.
Pretty much have a stock car now, though. But okay.
Wow.
And I don't know what's it for. I guess I would have I'd stock diesel. Yeah.
Big wheel, small tire, or small wheel, big tire?
Small wheel, big tire.
Yeah, small wheel, big tire. But like, I feel like people are going to be confused because this is Custom Offsets and they're used to big wheels and skinny tires. But Brad and I actually happen to both like 17-inch methods on 35s, 37s, or bigger.
Or 17-inch methods on a BMW, whatever.
I would love to put them on a BMW. Sure, we can do that.
I have 16-inch methods though, so even smaller.
On your 4Runner?
Yes.
Two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
That's very broad. What does that mean? For
where we live, like in Wisconsin, 4-wheel drive.
I would have no problem though buying a two-wheel drive like dually tow truck.
I guess here's the thing, right? Like, if it's like a classic truck, a 2-wheel drive's fine because I'm not going to drive in the winter anyway. But if it's a daily driver, I'm going to want 4-wheel drive just because of like the places I go, the things I do. And then in the winter, if you have snow tires, like true dedicated snow tires and 2-wheel drive, you're fine. I don't know why everybody makes a big deal about it, but having 4-wheel drive is also nice.
4-wheel drive doesn't help you turn though, so.
Nope.
Nah.
Or stop.
I would have either. It just depends on what the vehicle's for, I guess. So.
This or that, Brad?
Pick one.
4-wheel drive.
Now this is where things get a little different. We got lifted Nissan Titan or
Ew.
lifted Honda Ridgeline.
Oh, man.
Okay, first.
Two not good options. First of all, they don't really make lift kits for the Ridgeline.
Ridgeline's not even a truck. It's built
it's
on
a
a minivan
minivan
platform.
chassis.
So, but it does have a multi-function tailgate, which is super cool. I would definitely I would have a Nissan, even though I do not like Nissans.
Man, I'm going to get a lot of crap for this, but I think I would take the Honda. I don't know.
Because they look super sweet with a capper? Is that why?
So the new Honda Ridgeline looks way too much like a minivan, but the last generation, I could actually see. I saw somebody had one that they turned into like a Baja-styled truck, and it actually looked kind of decent, but still like
Still
unibody.
super lame.
And
Still very lame. And not even 4-wheel drive, just
they're all-wheel drive, at
All-wheel
least.
drive. They don't even have higher low range.
But it's got VTM 4-lock.
Honda does?
Yes.
I didn't know Honda did anything cool. Except for their multi-function tailgate.
It's got VTEC, bro.
And it has a cooler in the bed.
Yeah.
Oops.
You can say that. And it's got like outlets.
beep
It's got outlets in the bed and stuff too. I feel like everybody does now.
Yeah, everyone does that. You know,
Whatever.
that hurt when you hit me.
It hurt my hand too.
It's very aggressive.
Lifted F-150 or stock 250?
Stock F-250. For sure.
Lifted F-150. Most of the things that I tow, I don't need an F-250 for.
Why 250? You were so quick to answer.
Solid axle truck, dude, way cooler than.
Well, for the gram.
Even though I have a Duramax IFS truck, but I would definitely rather have a Super Duty over an F-150 because I use it to tow and stuff. I use it to tow car trailers and whatnot, so I'd definitely rather have the heavier truck. That's it.
I just have a boat and like I tow trailers for house stuff and that's it. So F-150 is fine.
Tows cabinets or
Yep.
refrigerators.
Appliances.
Not a dryer though. You need a tow truck.
I sold
for
that
a
to you.
dryer. I bought a dryer from Fuller. It works great, by the way.
Early Bronco, 1966 to 1977, or late Bronco, 1978 to 1992.
Early.
Ooh,
Hands down, early.
those aren't even like the right gen splits. Just so you know, first of all.
It's whatever the people said, but I would take an early Bronco.
Yeah.
A friend of mine built one. It's bright orange and it's sweet. It's super cool. Has the shock loops that come through the hood.
Oh.
Yeah.
I would definitely, yeah, first gen Bronco.
No doors. It's got a roll cage, race seats, manual.
First gen Bronco, but
Just
I would
looks
say
good.
I'd rather have a K5 over a Bronco. Just saying.
Like I don't like the way that Jared's Bronco looks.
Jared's Bronco. Jared's a terrible person.
I like the round headlights and just that classic. I don't know. Looks
Yeah.
better. Old.
Dope.
Old.
Turbo or supercharger?
Turbo.
What's the application? Because
Doesn't matter, dude.
it does though. I still own actually plenty of boosted cars, and it's blown up in at Brad's shop right now.
So maybe we should go.
Maybe I should pick supercharger. I don't know if it's like supercharged V8, like they make like the Hennessy Velociraptor kits for the Raptors. I would take a supercharger, but then the new Raptors are twin turbo. Forced induction in general over naturally aspirated. Change the
This or
change
that.
the question.
This or that.
Change
You
the
didn't answer
question.
I say
Naturally
turbo.
aspirated or turbo,
Turbo.
or forced induction, I should say. Turbocharger.
Yeah, force induction, I guess. But that wasn't the question.
Okay, turbo is my answer.
Same. that
Sorry
was
to
my
upset
answer.
you.
I got yelled at for a different answer, so that's why I said that.
Concave style wheel or lip style wheel?
Concave. Definitely more of a concave style.
When it comes to show truck wheels, I like the lip style wheels better.
But that's not. What's your personal preference? Are you
I
a
don't
show
know.
truck guy?
If
or
I
are
look
you-
at the wheels back here and I'm like, yeah, I like the big lip ones instead of like the hybrid ones. I'd rather have all the lip. But if you're gonna have a small wheel with big tire, like we talked about before, well then it's not a wide wheel. It's not going to have a lip. But
Could
if it
have a
does, it's just
baby
gonna have
lip.
straight spokes. Like the 701 is just a small lip and not concave.
Hey, homeless person.
Oh my gosh, it actually is.
He has concave wheels on his cart.
Lip is my answer.
Lip. Final answer.
Terrible answer.
Rock lights versus LED bars.
So
Both are great.
LED bars, I think, are useful. Rock lights, like you see on show trucks, I think are just a looks thing. But if you're talking about like actual rock lights, where you put cubes like down so you can see if you're crawling over rocks, then you need them.
I would say a light bar. You get more use out of a light bar than rock lights. So I'm gonna go with light bar.
Light bar as well. Brad and I have too much similar for this video.
Just like our clothing taste is very similar.
Poor choice.
All right, last one. Drum roll, please. Chrome or black wheels?
Ooh,
Black.
probably black. Yeah, I hate chrome. There's certain vehicles chrome, is good on, but majority I would have to say black.
I'm always worried about chrome wheels peeling because I don't take care of my things, and we live in Wisconsin, and they cover our roads in salt a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So chrome wheels are not for me. But they do work on
Although
some
painted wheels
vehicles.
don't do very well either with salt, but
But they do better than chrome. They don't at least peel.
yeah, they
like you
don't
can
pit
still
as bad.
no.
So black.
Black it is. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up. Like Brad and I wear the same shirts. I think our opinions are the same on a lot of things. So next time we're going to get someone in here that doesn't agree with me on as many things. And if you guys want to ask us some questions, please drop them in the comments below. Ask us something in the form of this or that. So just give us two things to decide between, and we'll make a video. And there's a good chance that your question will get picked. Peace.
Dope.